Welcome! It's great to see you. I'm so glad you're here. I tried to record this video yesterday and it did not go very well. Not in terms of video recording, but in terms of the hairstyles. So I'm going to try again today and we'll see what happens. But I basically want to do a series of Celtic knots. This is not the Celtic knot bun. This is a Celtic knot that like regular people would know about, would see on Instagram. And I saw a really cool mannequin head where somebody had done like 3 of them in a row, and I was like, oh, that looks really cool. I want to do that. So, yeah, it was a huge mess yesterday, but hopefully today we can get it. So I have a clip here to help me out. You don't have to use this. You could use a bobby pin, or you can use nothing if you're very dexterous with your hands. Gonna need 2 small sections from either side of your head, and I'm gonna try to start really high up so that I have room to do 3 of them. So with this first one, we want to make a loop where the tail comes down over the top, and this is the part where if you clip this, it's a little bit easier to work with. So I'm gonna have to pick up that section again. Okay. So now, section from this side of the hair. It goes over the tail and then under this part.
I want that.
What, the scissors? Where's the other pair of scissors?
On your shoulder.
Okay. Can you get it? Then we're gonna take it through the loop from left to right.
Make sure Priya doesn't ruin my drawing.
Priya, don't ruin Garrick's drawing. Then go underneath here, grab it, pull it through, and one more. We take the loop, and this time go the other way. From right to left. Take out the pin. And there is a lovely Celtic hair knot. Yeah. So, first one, I know how to do it. I technically know how to do it. So the first one goes fine. Let's see whether I can do it as multiple ones. So I'm going to leave those and take new sections. Make a loop here. Take a little bit from the other side. And let's see if I can do it without the clip, just so you can see what that looks like. I'm going to go over the tail.
This is so boring.
Well, give me a minute. I'm going to finish my video. Underneath here. Underneath on this side. Through the loop again.
So how will make a pancake?
Well, it feels right but off-centered, so I wonder if using the clip would help solve that problem. Yeah, let's try redoing this one. Or can I just massage it over this way? Hey. Okay, yeah, Mommy did it. We've got 2. Let's see if we have the ability to do 3. There we go.
Daddy, look at this thing. This is for knocking things off.
Oh.
Like that.
How
Trash.
useful. You could put the trash in the trash can.
Good. See?
Yeah, I see that.
Mommy, if I twist this, it'd be hard.
it's really hard to get even spacing between them when you're doing it on yourself, but that feels like it worked a lot better than yesterday's. I'll have to take a picture to know for sure. But yeah, this is really cool because it completely holds on its own. You use no hair ties or anything for this because the weight of the tails just keeps the knot in place. Yeah, let me get a different angle on that.
Mommy, do I see this? You need to sleep and see what happens.
Oh, okay. All right, so that is a Celtic knot, something that you might actually see on normal Instagram and not long hair community Instagram. Isn't that cool? And I also want to let you know that I just came out with a short ebook about how to use hair oils because I found that the information on hair oils is very confusing, spread all over the place, understanding things like hair porosity, hair thickness, what types of oils to use for which type of hair, for which type of effects that you want. So I put together like a 20-page ebook. It's on Amazon, but when you sign up for my newsletter, you can get it half off. So I'm going to put the link and information in the description box for you to check out. And I'll see you next time.